Yeah, welcome back with your brother Ed. Another video, another unboxing. First of all, I want to say thank you to all you guys. We almost reached 15,000 subscribers. Appreciate you. Almost a million views. Stay tuned for that. Views, a million views. We'll get that, okay? So I got unboxing. Let's go check it out. Got this from a friend of mine up in Cali. All right, let's go check these ones out. This Nike SB. Right here. Look at that, Nike SB. I know Superfly has these because I think he reviewed these I think last year. I think so because this it came last year. See, Nike SB Dunk High Pro, size 12, right there. These are nice though. Kind of weird. It's hard to use them, but I'll let you know right how it is. The color is super weird, but it's like a Halloween candy that you guys usually know. So here it is, and wow, look at this. Like, I think we call it candy corn. Yeah, look at this one. And I got one here. Yeah, it's my friend from Cali. He got it 1 and 1. So we got it. Look at this. Look at these beauties. Oh. It's brand new. I didn't use them all, so kind of nice. And it's kind of weird. It has a little mark here, like a candy mark, as you can see right here. Yeah, kind of. These are kind of weird to use, but hey, we're gonna try to figure out what kind of pants and shirts we're gonna use with these ones. So I know I got a bunch of pants to use, so this is one of my weirdest one yet. The candy corn, and switch the laces, one way, one back, and kind of cool the way it has here, right there, and sweet tooth, and then bottom part, right there. Yeah, really nice, guys. Really good price. He gave it to me. He didn't use them too much, so yeah, I will give it to you. Below retail, so if you're below retail, it's way low. So I'm happy to have these in my collection. So I'm definitely gonna rock these up. So it's gonna be weird. Everybody will be looking at me like, what the F, So oh well. Hey, we sneakers guys are weird. So we have a lot of sneakers that colorful, crazy enough. So shout out to Siloco 187. Superfly, check them out. I know he has a deep boxing of these, so he knows a little bit better than I do. I just get them, wear them, and destroy them. So all right guys, so thank you very much for watching this video. Short video, just wanted to see you guys. Nike SB High, so I got it cool. That nice thing, yeah. So I'm gonna rock these. It's summertime, so it's gonna be a summer shoe. So, all right, guys, thank you very much, and hope to see you on the road. See you guys soon.